and I mean the state security apparatus, and they are under the Constitution. It is not just the police, including NIS, the state security apparatus, including KDF, to arrest, investigate, arrest, and prosecute Governor James Orengo, Honorable Babu Owino, Honorable Karoli Omondi, and Edwin Sifuna for planning, killing, and maiming our people under the guise of the 16th August rally. We demand the immediate arrest of all the listed thugs and criminals Governor James Orengo and Honorable Babu Owino and Sifuna used to arm our people on 16th, and have provided their list. We demand investigations and action by the state security apparatus of the funding and support to the Linda Mwananchi group by President Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta and Rigathi Gachagua.